Today at FoneFunShop we are showing you the iPhone magnetic repair mat, used for keeping organised when disassembling iPhones. Let's have a look inside. Inside are a few sheets of paper showing a diagram where to put screws when disassembling each phone, starting with the iPhone 5s all the way up to the iPhone XR. Allow me to demonstrate where to put the screws in order. They're all colour coordinated, showing you which screws to put where and which screws to take out first. See? And these are available at www.FoneFunShop.com. Thanks for watching.